Yo, what's up, Grapple Fit Gang? Welcome back. In this video, we're making one of my go-to breakfast staples. This meal is balanced and it's gonna help you get those gains. It's easy and done in no time. First, let's get those eggs ready. We'll use 4 eggs, but set them to the side. We've got a little prep work to do. Next, grab your Kerrygold Pure Irish Butter. We're using this for healthy fats and rich flavor. Grab about 7 grams and set it aside. I measure mine on foil. It makes it easier to drop in the pan. Now, get your skillet on the burner and let's get it heated up. I go just over medium. While that's heating up, let's get the rest of our ingredients. Grab some shredded cheddar cheese and measure out 14 grams. Set that aside. Time to crack those eggs. Crack all 4 into a bowl and grab a fork. Whisk them up. Your pan should be hot. Drop in that butter, swirling it. Now, pour in your eggs. Scrape the bowl to get every last bit of that protein. As the eggs cook, use your spatula to stir and chop. When they're about 2/3 of the way cooked, it's cheese time. Fold it in and let it melt. When the eggs are cooked, plate them and finish with a grind of pink Himalayan salt and some fresh pepper. Now for the easy part. Grab a cup of Oikos 000 yogurt. That's another 15 grams of protein. Next, measure out 54 grams of Cheerios Oat Crunch cereal. Add that right on top. And to finish it off, a cup of 2% milk. Serve it all up and enjoy the gains. If you like this chill lo-fi cooking video, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to Grapple Fit TV for more. Peace.
Napalm on your Nike thigh. Seashell on the healer blast, now I stay alive. Bad timing with the pride. Too fly by the Commodore.
Hardly never did we cut a deal. Harvey leather, tell you how I feel.
I'm in the mirror, lights that make you look good, coated with that pastel, wanna disappear, so we riding with the planes. I love you ain't lying. Showtime in the mirror, chief up for that wall art, drop it with your eyelids, try again violet, maybe it's a new stain, fly away pilot, only way to break.
What's you the man? Lay it on me, say it's not me. I don't understand what you're saying softly. You say I'm numb. Yeah, I'm a misled. Black satin envy. Where you would to find me? Where you would to find me? Lay it on me, lay it on me.
Thank you.